Have you ever dreamed of running your own business from anywhere? Dropshipping might be for you. It's a popular way to make money online. Many people are finding success with dropshipping. You can start your own business without needing lots of money or storage space. Dropshipping is perfect for beginners. It's easy to understand and get started. In this guide, we'll explore dropshipping on Amazon. Amazon is a giant online store. They help you reach millions of customers. Let's learn how to build your own successful dropshipping business on Amazon. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Dropshipping is simple. You sell products online without keeping them in stock. When a customer buys from your store, you order the product from a supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You don't handle any products. You focus on selling and customer service. Amazon is a great platform for dropshipping. Millions of people shop on Amazon every day. You can list your products on Amazon and reach a huge audience. Amazon makes selling easy. They have tools to help you manage your store. They also handle payments and customer service inquiries. Dropshipping on Amazon is a fantastic way to start your online business journey. Ready to start dropshipping on Amazon? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, create an Amazon seller account. Go to Amazon Seller Central and sign up. You'll need to provide some information about yourself and your business. Next, choose a product niche. Find products you're passionate about and that have good demand on Amazon. Use tools like Amazon's Best Sellers rank to research popular products, then find a reliable supplier. Look for suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Check their reviews and ensure they offer quality products and fast shipping. Finally, list your products on Amazon. Create compelling product listings with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Use relevant keywords to help customers find your products. Section 4, Amazon, a world of opportunities. Amazon is a massive online marketplace. They have over 300 million active customers worldwide. That's a lot of potential buyers for your products. Amazon also has a huge logistics network. This means they can deliver products quickly and efficiently. You can take advantage of Amazon's brand recognition and customer trust. Selling on Amazon gives your dropshipping business a big boost. Section 5, Tips for Success. Make your business bloom. Here are some tips to help your dropshipping business thrive. First, provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and buy from you again. Second, market your products. Use social media, paid advertising, and other marketing channels to promote your products and drive traffic to your Amazon listings. Third, optimize your listings. Use high-quality images, write detailed descriptions, and include relevant keywords to make your listings stand out. Lastly, stay updated. Keep learning about dropshipping and Amazon selling strategies. Attend webinars, read blogs, and join online communities to stay ahead of the curve. Section 6. Conclusion, your dropshipping journey begins. Dropshipping on Amazon is an exciting opportunity. You can be your own boss and build a successful online business. Remember to start small, learn as you go, and always prioritize customer satisfaction. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your dropshipping dreams on Amazon. Take the first step today and watch your business grow.